Hey guys, it's Kyle with Whistling Dixie Farms, and I am freezing my butt off today installing snow fence. As you can tell, winter is falling on the farm, and of course winter means snow, and one of the things that we struggle with here in the flatlands of Minnesota is wind and snow, and snow drifts. So I use snow fence to help control that. This particular fence will help prevent the snow from drifting along the front of the house and blocking the garage doors. So kind of an eyesore, but it makes life a lot easier here in the winter. What I really want to talk about today though, here is my Titan Post Pounder. A lot of people probably look at this at first and go, how the heck are you going to pound these fence posts in this frozen ground? Well, that's the answer. I picked this thing up this spring for installing fence posts in my cattle fence, and I am absolutely thrilled with it. I just got done driving this 6-foot T-post into the hard frozen ground. I mean, it's pretty rock hard. We're not deep frost yet, but I'd say there's probably 3 or 4 inches. And I've got 4 more to go, and that'll take me probably about 5 minutes, to be honest, once I get going. But what this is a gas-powered post pounder. This is a PGD3875 model. I paid about $300 for it on clearance from Ken Cove. So I think usually they run about $430 or $450, but I get a deal because the manufacturer was changing up the engine on them, and they were clearancing this model number. So the concept here is the motor. It's small 4-stroke motor, has a centrifugal clutch that drives a piston, and that piston is in here in this barrel, and it moves up and down, and there's a striking plate at the bottom that rests on top of your post. So when you rev up the engine, the centrifugal clutch engages, starts pounding, something to the tune of about 120 beats per minute, and through that and the weight, this thing weighs about 50 pounds, it'll drive your post down into the ground. And it works fantastic. It's got a 4-inch barrel, so it'll pound up to, I think according to the spec sheet, a 3 7/8 inch post, which is pretty much everything you'll have to throw at it. I've even pounded some 4.5 CCA treated posts, and I used some chisels and stuff to kind of take a 1/2 inch or so off the top of the post, about 6 inches, so I could fit the pounder over it, and then it just drives them right in. It's really fantastic. Down here at the bottom, there's a collar, that little black ring. Came with a set. There's like a 1-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch hole. So like I've got the 2-inch hole collar on it right now, which is perfect for slipping over the top of these T-posts, and just kind of help keep things lined up so it's not sliding all over. So I'm going to line up the next T-post and fire this thing up, show you guys how it works. And for the person who is a fencing enthusiast, I'll say, is definitely worth the investment if you can get your hands on one of these. And cattle fence or sheep fence, whatever, livestock. It'll even drive like the galvanized pipe posts that they use for chain link fence. So I'm hoping maybe I can recoup some of my costs, maybe renting this thing out a little bit, because it's not like I'm going to use it every day. So, all right, I will go grab my tripod and show you guys how this thing works. All right, here we go. Got a stop switch here. Set the choke. Just like that, we're ready to go. posts driven into the frozen ground. And if you get your posts lined up like this, I can run down the line and get these done in just a few moments and be ready to go. So we'll get them done and be down to this fence post pounder, and then I can get inside where it's warm. All right, all done. Took me about 3 minutes to pound the rest of those posts. A couple more minutes to stretch my snow fence, and I'm all done. I'm ready to go inside and warm up. So everybody, I hope you have a great day, and thanks for joining me.